What can you get for around $1 million in Seattle Eastside for Lakeview home? Hi everyone, I'm Maggie. So today I'm in Issaquah, and everybody knows how convenient Issaquah is. It is only minutes to I-90, and then we are so close to the Costco, Issaquah Highlands, and Issaquah downtown for dining and shopping. And also where we are right now is actually at the south side of Lake Sammamish. So we are only minutes away to Lake Sammamish State Park. And this community was built in 2014, and we are actually in Issaquah School District, and I checked for all the elementary, middle school, and high school. The test score is 10 out of 10. And this home that I'm going to show you today has 3 bedrooms, 2.25 bathrooms, and their square footage inside is over 1,800. And what I like is actually has a stunning lake and mountain view. Let's go and check it out. And now we're in the main living area. So coming this way, as a modern townhome, I really like how bright the home is. It actually has a little yard on this side, and you have this whole patio door. And then on the other side, you have a huge patio door that you can look at the view and everything. So the whole room feels really spacious, and the ceiling height is actually 9 feet. So it's really comfortable moving in this room. And then this is a very modern kitchen, Long Island quartz countertop and stainless steel appliances, all moving ready condition for you. And I really like the design of this cabinets. It has really smooth surface and actually reflects some lights, right? So it makes the room more bright. And here is the dining area, and the owner actually put I think it's a very modern style kind of light fixture here that fits the style of the whole room. And then coming this way, this corner is the family room. So looking through this patio door, you can actually see the mountain view already. But when we go up, you actually can see Lake Sammamish and Mount Rainier. I want to see whether we can actually see Mount Rainier today. That will be good luck. And this family room, there's a gas fireplace right there, and you can put a big TV on top of it. And here you can put your couches. You can make it a really nice media room as well. And now I want to show you the best view of this home that is in the primary bedroom. So coming through the French door, this is the primary bedroom. It's really big, and the ceiling height is, 13, 14 feet, and it's a vaulted ceiling as well. So you really feel spacious and very bright in this room. And here they have a corner for, couches or desk or, bookcases, or however you want to make it. And now I want to show you the balcony. The view of the balcony is the best. So actually, if you stand here, you can see Lake Sammamish right there, and Mount Rainier is right in between these 2 mountains. And together, this is basically a beautiful picture that you can look at every day. And I know in this community, only a few homes has this kind of views. And now I want to show you the master bathroom. So the bathroom is pretty big. I think it has double sink, very modern design, and it has a floating cabinet that is very luxurious. And then on this side, this is a shower room. It has tiles from floor to the ceiling, very easy to maintain. And then on this side, this is a good size walk-in closet. So it is a very practical layout for a master bathroom. So after looking at this home, what I really like is the location of it. So it is so close to I-90, but you also have this beautiful view of Lake Sammamish and Mount Rainier, right? Because now so many people have to go to Seattle downtown to work, being so close to I-90. And there is a shuttle bus stop right here. So if you have to commute to downtown Seattle, downtown Bellevue, this is a prime location for you. And the home itself is very modern. It has 3 bedrooms, 2 on the 3rd floor, and the primary bedroom on the top floor that you can enjoy the view of the mountain and the lake. And we're going to put this home on the market for $1.1 million. If you're interested, we have open houses this whole weekend. Come and join us. I'm Maggie. I'll see you next time.